Have you ever questioned the nature of your reality? A curious question, yet one that holds the potential to unravel the very fabric of our existence. Imagine for a moment that our lives, every person we've met, every experience we've had, every memory we hold dear, are not as they seem. Could it be possible that the world as we know it is not real, not physical, that we are living in a matrix of complex algorithms and digital renderings? What if everything you know is simply a simulation? The concept of a simulated universe proposes that reality, as we perceive it, is a simulation or a computer-generated construct. Let's take a moment to unravel this mind-bending theory. Picture life as you know it. Your morning coffee, the traffic on your way to work, the laughter of your loved ones, all is part of an intricate computer program, similar to the video games we play, only infinitely more complex. This is the essence of the simulated universe theory. It suggests that our reality isn't quite what it seems. Instead, it could be a digital creation, meticulously crafted down to the smallest detail. The buildings around us, the air we breathe, even our thoughts and emotions could all be lines of code in an advanced cosmic software. Think of it like a supremely advanced version of the game The Sims, where the characters believe they are living independently, but are in fact following a predetermined program. In this grander scheme, we might be the characters, living out lives designed by an unknown programmer. It's a concept that sounds straight from the pages of a sci-fi novel, yet it's taken seriously by some of the most brilliant minds of our age. Theoretical physicists, computer scientists, and philosophers alike are intrigued by the possibility of our universe being a digital illusion. Just imagine, you and I might be living in a cosmic video game. Let's delve into a peculiar experiment that challenges our understanding of reality. Welcome to the world of quantum physics, where the ordinary rules of the universe seem to take a back seat. Here, we're going to discuss an experiment that might just make you question everything you thought you knew about reality: the double-slit experiment. This experiment involves firing particles like electrons or photons at a barrier with two slits. Now you might expect these particles to act like tiny bullets, passing through one slit or the other. But that's not what happens. When not directly observed, these particles seem to pass through both slits at the same time, forming an interference pattern on the other side, as if they were waves rather than individual particles. Now let's add a twist. When we place detectors at the slits to observe which slit the particle goes through, the interference pattern disappears, and the particles behave as if they've only gone through one slit. It's as if the particles know they're being watched and change their behavior accordingly. This bizarre phenomenon, where particles seem to behave differently when observed, has been interpreted by some as a glitch in a simulation, suggesting that our reality might not be as real as we think it is. It's like we're living in a sophisticated game, and the rules of the game change when the players start to look too closely. Could this experiment be evidence of a simulated reality? Have you noticed things you remember vividly to be different in reality? Let's dive into a peculiar phenomenon that's been causing a stir in recent years: the Mandela effect. It's named after the former South African president, Nelson Mandela, whom many people recall having died in prison during the 80s. However, in our reality, Mandela was released in 1990 and passed away in 2013. This collective misremembering isn't just about Mandela. It's about the Berenstain Bears, not Berenstein as many recall. It's about the Monopoly man not actually having a monocle, despite widespread memories to the contrary. It's about Star Wars fans swearing by the quote, "Luke, I am your father," when Darth Vader actually says, "No, I am your father." So what's going on here? Some suggest this is evidence of alternate realities or parallel universes. Others say it's a glitch in the Matrix, a hiccup in our simulated universe that hasn't been patched up yet. Psychologists, on the other hand, point to the fallibility of human memory. They argue that our brains can be tricked, creating false memories due to suggestion or misinterpretation. But isn't it fascinating that these errors are so widespread, shared by so many across different cultures and geographies? No matter the cause, the Mandela effect continues to baffle and intrigue. It keeps us questioning our reality, our memory, and our understanding of the world. Is the Mandela effect a glitch in our matrix, or is it just human error? It's a question that remains open to interpretation, a mystery still unsolved. So, are we living in a simulated universe? A question that, no doubt, has tickled your curiosity and perhaps left a trace of wonderment echoing in your mind. We've journeyed through the intriguing concept of a simulated universe, a theory that posits our reality might just be an advanced digital construct. We've delved into the perplexing realm of quantum physics, where particles seem to exhibit the uncanny ability to be in two places at once, as demonstrated by the double-slit experiment. And of course, who could forget the Mandela effect? That peculiar phenomenon where large groups of people share false memories, suggesting the possibility of alternate realities, or, dare we say, glitches in the matrix. These concepts, these questions, they are not meant to unsettle or perturb, but rather to inspire and to challenge, to compel us to look beyond the confines of our ordinary understanding and to question the very fabric of our perceived reality. Are we truly living in a physical universe governed by natural laws? Or are we part of an intricate simulation, a matrix of codes and algorithms designed by a civilization far advanced than our own? The answers to these questions are not clear-cut. They are shrouded in ambiguity and fraught with uncertainty. But isn't that the beauty of it all? The allure of the unknown, the thrill of the chase, the exhilarating journey in search of truth. Perhaps you are now more intrigued than ever, yearning to delve deeper into the rabbit hole. I encourage you to do so. Reflect on the examples we've discussed, explore the concept of a simulated universe, question the nature of your reality. This journey is yours to embark on. This mystery is yours to unravel. Ponder on these ideas, and if you enjoyed this journey through the matrix of our reality, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Remember, reality is only as real as our minds perceive it to be.